Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button to power on the system. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup menu. Use the right arrow key to navigate to the config menu. Use the down arrow key to navigate to the power menu and press enter. Navigate down to disable built-in battery and press enter. Make sure yes is selected and press enter. The built-in battery is now disabled. Use a non-metallic pry tool to pry up the trackpad buttons. Loosen 2 captured screws. Slide the keyboard back and lift the front edge. Pull the keyboard out of the bezel and flip it over. Disconnect the keyboard and track point cables from the system board. Remove the keyboard from the system. Place the keyboard upside down on the bezel and align the cables with their connectors. Connect the keyboard and track point cables to the system board. Flip the keyboard over and place the top edge under the bezel. Lower the front edge and slide the keyboard forward. Tighten 2 captured screws. Place the trackpad buttons into position and press down on the front edge to lock them into place.